In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a checking account online with Rocket Money in 2025. This is a straightforward process, but it's important to understand what Rocket Money is and what it isn't. To start, Rocket Money serves as a financial management tool rather than a bank itself. This means you cannot open a checking account directly through Rocket Money. Instead, it helps you manage your money more effectively by offering features and insights directly from linked accounts. First, what you need to do is choose a bank that suits your needs. This bank will be where you'll actually open your checking account. Many banks offer online account opening, which you can typically complete from the comfort of your home. All you'll need is an internet connection and some basic personal information like your social security number, identification such as a driver's license, and your current address. Research a bit about different banks if you're undecided, as they differ in terms of fees, interest rates, and customer service. Once you've decided on a bank and opened your checking account, the next step is to link this account to Rocket Money. This integration allows Rocket Money to pull in your account information like balances and transaction details. To do this, log into your Rocket Money account. Look for an option that says Add Account or Link Account, which is usually found under Settings or directly on the home page. Follow the prompts, entering your bank's information when requested. This is a secure process, and your bank's details are protected throughout. After successfully linking your checking account, you're ready to take advantage of Rocket Money's various features. One of the most useful aspects of Rocket Money is its ability to monitor the flow of your money, providing you with detailed insights into your spending and savings habits. You'll see real-time updates on your balance and a breakdown of your transactions, categorized automatically for easier tracking. This comprehensive overview helps you spot spending trends and identify any unnecessary expenses. Furthermore, Rocket Money can alert you to any unusual spending activity, helping protect you from potential fraud. Another handy feature is its ability to remind you of upcoming bill payments, ensuring you never miss a due date and helping you avoid any late fees. It's like having a personal financial assistant that works to keep your finances organized and efficient. In conclusion, while you cannot open a checking account directly with Rocket Money, by understanding how to properly link and utilize it with your existing accounts, you can greatly improve your financial management. With Rocket Money, you gain clearer insights into your financial habits and can plan your future with more confidence and precision. Thanks for watching, and happy budgeting!